वापस एक टाइम आएगा नहीं।
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Deeksha Vedantu CBSE English. I'm your Aditi ma'am and your Sonu sir is here as well. Get the attendance ready. Okay. It is streaming. Let us know everyone if we are audible and visible properly. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay, we have gone live officially and we are launching something very big today. All of you were asking me on the other day, ma'am, talk about IIT, ma'am, talk about IIT. And I was, sir, I was telling them that I visited IIT Bombay a little while earlier and everybody was present and everybody was so hyped about it.
And ma'am, one more thing, many of them might be dreaming to become first NIT of their family.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so something big is launching for you guys. Something big.
So I think they know by all our talking and stuff that what we are launching. You all might be just in class 9th and 10th as of now, but that does not mean you cannot start early. There was a Vijay Utsav we went to. All the toppers of Deeksha Vedantu were there, NEET, JEE, KSET, Comet K, and we asked them, everyone, just one single thing. Why are you here and maybe the rest of the people are not? And everybody had one single answer that, ma'am, we started really early. We got 2 years extra if I start from class 9th. If my goal is clear that I want to sit in a class of IIT and want to experience that.
Exactly, and success belongs to those who starts early.
Exactly.
So that's all about.
So 11th and 12th, you have 2 years. Everybody is chasing a dream. 9th and 10th, you have 4 years. And not everybody is chasing that dream. And after 4 years, one of the person from your class will be entering into an IIT and there is no reason that can't be you. So that is why we are here. Sir, you want to address them?
Exactly, and when you go to ask your seniors now, I mean someone who had dreamed to become an IITian and who, I mean someone had dreamed to achieve medical government college. If you ask to your seniors now, they literally struggled a lot because they didn't take a correct decision or right time because they started preparation for JEE and NEET after 11th and 12th, and that was, I would say, it was a wrong decision they had taken. So my dear champion, if you talk about cracking prestigious examination like JEE and NEET in India, my dear, it's not a joke. It literally required determination, hard work, honesty, and of self-belief and right decision at right time, because these exams are all about execution under pressure, ma'am. Sometimes knowledge never matters in such exams sometimes, but your determination, your speed, your accuracy, and of course your concept clarity. And when you start JEE preparation, NEET preparation at the right time, your concept will become stronger and more stronger. And this is the right time.
I would like to add one thing, that if you see like there are 18,000 seats in IITs, okay? And if you see like the top 10,000 ranks, 10,000, you won't see that they lack anything in knowledge. Everybody know every concepts, they know each formulas by heart. The only difference is their speed, their accuracy. When they sit in that 6 hours of examination of JEE Advanced, then the only thing that matters at that point of time is your speed and your accuracy, and those are the habits, beta, they take time to build. When you start, am I saying that I will start teaching you JEE Advanced questions from class 9th? No, we are not going to do that, but we are going to teach you some of the lessons that will keep you way ahead of the whole of the crowd, that will make your seat guaranteed in the top IITs of our country. And
basically we are going to keep you guys aligned towards these exams, so that you guys could ensure, yes, we have strong foundation that so that you guys could ensure to getting to to achieve your dream in future after a few years. So that's all about our intention. Ultimate goal is to make your foundation stronger, champion, so that you will be having successful years ahead and you will be enjoying your life, champion. This is the right time for the preparation of these exams.
And when we were little, we didn't have YouTube, we didn't have so much access to all the resources, and we didn't know what to do. Actually, personally, I was not aware of
True, true.
all
Me
these
too,
things
ma'am.
in my ninth class,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
It happens.
So, but we are very glad that we ended up here. But you need some guidance, and that is why we are here. And beta, we are launching Titans.
Titans for you all class 9th and 10th students. So
Now, this batch, why we call it Titans? Because these are for the warriors, these are for those top 1% who are already clear about their dreams. They know that they want to sit with the top students, top people of IITs of the country, and they want to experience that campus environment, that sports environment, those clubs, those all the classes,
true.
right?
We had dreams actually.
Yes,
We had
of
dreams.
course.
And yeah, so let's talk about
Yeah.
the Titans all about.
So
get ready.
basically, why this course we are launching at this time, I want to say a little bit on thing of you. Why you should join this. First of all, even if you're not clear about these dreams, this course will literally just give you a little bit extra to make your concept so clear that you won't need anything else. Okay.
Yes.
So the first thing we are going to talk about why to start early, why to stay ahead. That is, it'll build a rock solid foundation, the foundation you need to crack IIT, and that's not a joke. Right? You have 2 years extra, you have 4 years in total, and there will be no board panic because you're already ahead. You are doing advanced concepts. Why will you panic about boards? Right? So zero panic and 2 extra years that will give you a push that other students don't have. Then problem solving skills we are going to incorporate. We are not going to give you only the new concepts. We are going to give you a method to solve the problems, not just the JEE mains, the JEE advanced. We are not going to start with that, obviously. We are going to start with your level as well, the NCERT solutions, but with a trick, with a speed, with an accuracy meter. That's what we will be doing, and we will be practicing that those high JEE rankers, IITs do. Then the school topper is just a side effect. So you will see that when you attend these courses, you will see that I became topper without even doing anything. That's good. And your dream starts today, beta, not in 11th, not in after 2 years, after 1 year. This course, if you are in class 9th, class 10th, and you are watching our video, you're already ahead. You are already ahead of your peers, of your competitors. So that's one thing you should be very proud of yourself. Okay, now I know how much you want to make your parents proud, how much you want to show those relatives that I can do this. This is your chance to take at the right time. Now talking about in this course, we will be starting with physics and maths because they go hand in hand. Sir will also know that in physics we start with the chapter that figures out with quadrants, with trigonometry, with all the units, measurements, and we do that. We learn all those things in maths as well. Okay, so beta, starting with physics, we will start with the first lecture. You will have every lecture, 2 lectures every Sunday. That is one of physics, one of maths in the starting. We will be incorporating chemistry and biology as well, but these foundations are really necessary at this time. So we will be starting with that, and also so that you don't feel so much burden that chemistry is there, biology is there, math is there, physics is there. So right now, let's just start with physics and math. Okay, so with the first lecture, we start with units, measurements, and a little bit of warm up with math. So what you will be getting units, all the units of length, of distance, acceleration, velocity. We studied all these in 9th class, right? So you will get that, how to do their conversion. A lot of questions in JEE mains comes from the conversions and scientific notations. Dimensions are so important. Some of the questions in dimensions are so important. Okay, so we will be seeing all these rearranging formulas. Now you have what is the formula of velocity, what is the formula of distance, but how to rearrange them using the help of math a little bit. Maths is a tool that just make physics beautiful. Okay, it helps you understand physics even better. So we will use trigonometry, quadrants, and you'll feel that even math feels a little bit lighter now that you know why we are studying maths. This is the reason we are studying maths. Okay, then beta, next Sunday, next lecture, you will be getting motion. We all studied in class 9th, so whosoever is in class 9th, you will just get a refresher, and who are in class 10th, you must have forgotten that, right? But this is one of the main chapters of JEE mains, JEE even NEET, right? So we will start with this. We'll start with understanding the graphs. These graphs are very important. You will get direct questions in JEE and NEET to verify what graph is this, if this graph is correct or not. So we'll understand that uniform and non-uniform motion, average speed, reading distance, and time graphs, everything we will do, okay? And we will learn how to describe the motion. Done? Then moving on to third lecture, that will be your third Sunday. Every Sunday you will get one lecture of physics, one lecture of math. Easy, just take a chill pill, relax, and just get a copy, just write down everything we are saying. You don't need to give so many hours, okay? So in third lecture we will be getting acceleration and equations of motion, that we are studying, right? 3 equations of motion, very important. Their graphs, how they are derived from graphs using NCERT only, nothing else, okay? Free fall with the help of gravity, some questions, some numericals that directly come in your JEE exam. And the last Sunday beta, lecture 4, you will be getting forces and Newton's laws of motion. The first law of motion, second law, and third law. Their questions are important, their concepts are important. MCQs will come, a tricky MCQs will come, so we'll discuss all of these, okay? The inertia, their real life examples, cricket ball, seat belts, bus driving, everything, okay? Then we'll study about momentum. Momentum is a tricky topic. It's not just M into V, okay? A little bit depth into that and you'll realize how beautiful that topic is, okay? And the heart of all the mechanics, that is your free body diagrams. You will study, you have studied in your 9th right now. New batch is studying a little bit about inclined plane, a little bit about pulleys, right? So we'll see those diagrams, very easy and very good as well, okay? So that is what you will be getting in the month of August in the 4 Sundays. Just a start, just a refresher. After that we'll take a break for your half yearlies and we will resume and go to some of the more topics of physics as well. Okay, now this was the whole lecture about physics. I'll hand over the mic to Sonu sir for your math curriculum.
Thank you so much, Aditi ma'am. So Aditi ma'am, as Aditi ma'am said, math is the tool. Basically, you can't think about even chemistry and physics. Math is all about champions. So let's talk about, here we go. So Titan series for maths. So champion, if I talk about in maths, in Titan series, what I'm going to do exactly is in every session, 60% of each session for problem solving. So I'll be focusing on, questions practice champions. So instead of, utilizing a lot of time in lecturing, I will be focusing, most of the time on solving questions. Second will be ending every session with 10 homework. So in every session, I'll be giving you 10 homework quality questions so that you could ensure how much you have grasped and everything. Third is most weight in JEE NEET. If I talk about, these are the 3 topics: logarithms, quadratic, and trigonometry. It covers, these 3 topics covers major part of NEET and JEE. So these 3 will be following in every sessions. Now let's talk about the content that I'm going to deliver in session wise. So if I talk about first session, first lecture will be of number sense and algebra foundation. So in this session, everything is visible here. I have reflected everything. So in this particular session, I will be teaching you guys whole numbers and place value, comparing and ordering numbers. So basically we'll be playing with numbers, okay? The game of number, the challenge of number, the quizzes of number. So this is all about fraction, decimals, percentage. I know you must have already studied about fraction, decimals, but I'll be giving you, something special about decimals, something special about fractions. The session is going to be very fun-filled and alluring. Trust me, champion. So this is the first class that I'm going to take. Okay. If I talk about second Sunday, so my second lecture will be based on geometry and mensuration. So in geometry, we'll be talking about lines and angles, triangle, quadrilateral, polygon, circles, coordinate geometry, and transformation and symmetry. You must have solved few questions in class 8th and 7th about symmetrical shapes, how many symmetrical lines are there. So we'll be talking about now in this particular session some advanced questions, right? So 3-dimensional shapes, measurement and unit conversion, and few topics are common in maths and physics both. So unit conversion, you guys will be studying this topic in physics also. Aditi ma'am will be teaching you and me too as well. So conversion, practical geometry and geometric reasoning and proof. So these are the topics. In third session, I'll be teaching you guys trigonometry. Yes, my dear champion, very interesting. Some student takes trigonometry as a challenge, but trust me, after taking one of my session of trigonometry, you guys will be falling in love with this trigonometry. Trust me. So this is very interesting topic. Trust me. So I hope I'm looking forward to catch you all, everyone, in this particular session. Now, introduction to trigonometry, right angle triangle, and we'll be doing operation of trigonometric ratio, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, everything. What are complementary angles? What are supplementary angles? Distance, unit circle function, inverse trigonometry function. Every topic will be discussed in this session, third session. I mean on third Sunday. Now, if I talk about fourth session, that is going to be obviously held on 4th of Sunday, basically. So the chapter is sequence and series, and this is very interesting chapter, my dear. So in this particular sequence and series session, I will be solving introduction to sequence, what sequence is basically, okay, and what type of sequences, AP is what is GP, what is harmonic progression, everything I'll be teaching you from basics to advanced, champions. So don't think something is going to be very horrible, very scary for you. Nothing, champion. I'll be teaching you from basics, everyone, from zero to hero, champion. Trust me. Finding the nth term, sum of an arithmetic series, sum of geometric series, finite and infinite series, everything we are going to discuss. Now over to Aditi ma'am. And one more thing that I want to quote at the end: the future belongs to those who starts early, and this is the right time to become Titan champions.
Yes, of course. So that was your whole schedule, everyone. I hope you understand. Just come to the live session. Just come to that class. Record. Hey Bhagwan, what am I saying? Just watch that class. Yeah, we are so overwhelmed. We are so excited. Just watch that class and see, and don't take so much panic and anxiety that, oh, I have so less years, I have to start early. Just start, okay? Just show up. That's the whole thing.
I think they must be looking somewhere. I mean, they must have been looking somewhere, someone who could guide them.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
So we are here.
Hi.
We are here. So we all are dedicatedly, I mean, we have already planned a lot of, quality contents basically for you, and that we are going to deliver in this session.
Yes.
And it is going to help you out. If you all are dreaming to, become first NITN and first IITN of your family, of your village, and of your district. And this is the right time for the preparation. I'm looking forward, we both, Aditi ma'am and me, both are looking forward to catch you, everyone, in our every sessions.
Yes.
Don't skip any one session, champion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Manvita. Hello, everyone. So make sure that you relax first, okay, and then watch the sessions. Just keep a notebook with you and just think of it like a normal Netflix session, okay? Just watch it. Just try to understand, because we are not teaching in such a manner that you have to, focus so much and study and just do all the numericals. Just treat it like something that you are getting out of it. That will be a better thing for your future. Okay, once you start, you'll understand it's not that difficult as well. True. In 9th and 10th, we are not going to teach you so many hard questions, so many hard topics. Just normal topics, better than just class 9th and 10th. True. A little bit better, and you'll enjoy those definitely. And you will understand, sir, they will understand that you are understanding 9th concepts better by learning these things. Yeah. So you can flaunt in your class, you will get more class in 9th and 10th. So it's just an added bonus. Okay, so just sit back, relax, and watch these videos and enjoy these videos and see if you are interested about science, maths or not. Okay, and hence you can take your further decisions as well.
And
okay?
on serious note, champions, see what happens now. When you start at the right time, you don't regret later. Yeah. I mean, such type of regret, the result would have been better if I really worked harder and all. My dear, if you start on right time now, you will feel proud, and you will be making your parents feel proud, champion. And this is the right time.
Yeah,
so get up. Come on, get up, every Titans.
I don't think anyone has ever regretted starting early.
Yeah.
They regret starting later. But nobody has regretted ever starting early.
True.
So I am hoping to see all of you in those videos, learn from those videos, and show everyone around you that you can do it. And that starts in silence. Right now your results will not show. You are showing up every Sunday, nobody will see that. But after 4 years, these small Sundays will make a difference in your life. And then everybody will come and, how did you do it?
Yeah, super.
How did you do it? Yeah. And you will know that I did it for 4 consistent years. That's the power of consistency, and that's the power we are going to install in you. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope that you all are there in the sessions. If you have any doubt, beta, you all can ask. This
So-
is a new area we are getting you. You have to make yourself a little bit closer to your dreams of JE, your NEET, and to start early is the best thing you can do for your future.
And we are pretty much sure and we are hoping to see yours new updated version for this Titan series, everyone. So thank you so much and let's crack it, champion, all together.
Yes,
Thank
let's
you.
crack it, Titans.
Yeah,
We are
let's crack it,
Titans now.
Titans.
Okay, bye
Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
See you in the sessions.
See you.
Bye bye.
See you of yourself and see you. I'll take care of your parents as well.